Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Lisk coin. The price line of Lisk has broken out very significant resistance of this falling wedge pattern on the daily time frame chart, and this can be very nice entry for the next big move. And before starting the analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel so far, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing the different trading ideas on the daily basis. You can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. First of all, I would like to show you some different major support and resistance levels on the weekly time frame. And right now we can see the price line is testing very significant support zone that starts from $2.5 and goes to $2.15. And after testing this zone, the price line is likely to move up from here. And at the same time, the price line was also testing this 50 simple moving average on the weekly time frame chart. By the way, these are some major support and resistance levels on the weekly time frame, and there is a possibility that there will be some more support and resistance levels on the short term, but I'm just showing you some major support and resistance level on this long term. Now you can see that the price line is testing this significant support zone and also this 50 simple moving average. At the same time, previously this support zone has been breaking as a nice resistance here, and here it has been breaking as a very strong resistance. And when the price line broke out this resistance level, it was again moved down and bounced by this support zone. And after this big rally, the price line moved down at this support zone, moved up again, and for some weeks the price line has been moving between this support zone and moved up, and recently the price line has again tested the support zone here again. Now our next resistance level can be 4.7, then 6.6, and this can be our final resistance here at $11. Right now we can expect the next move up to $4.7. That is our next long-term resistance, and this level has been working as a strong resistance here. Right now it is working as a strong resistance on this weekly time frame, and here it has been working as a very strong resistance before this big rally. Now if we take a look at the daily time frame, right now the price line has recently broken out this resistance of the falling wedge after a long time. You can see the formation of this falling wedge was started here when the price line entered in this wedge on 17th of August, and it was not able to break out the resistance of this falling wedge even after several attempts. And right now we are again above this resistance. For the safer side, for safe entry, we can wait for the price line to close above this candlestick, which has broken out this resistance of this falling wedge, and the highest price of this candle is $3.34, and we can wait for the next candlestick to close above this level, at least on the 4-hourly time frame. If I switch to the 4-hourly time frame, then we still not having the closing above this level. The price line, you can see the candlesticks are being accumulated very well above this resistance level, and even after this breakout we have several retests on this 4-hourly time frame. But right now, not on the 4-hourly and not on the daily time frame, we are having any closing above this highest price of this candle, that is $3.34. So that will be more safe entry. However, I'm expecting that now, because you can see that this falling wedge is quite squeezed, and this was the make or break time for the price line, a decision making time for the price line to break out or break down the support or resistance of this wedge. Here I would like to show you the volume again. We can see that we had this breakout with the nice volume. If I show you the volume oscillator, this indicator we use to see the power of buying or sell volume, and right now you can see when we had this candle which broke out this resistance, the value of this oscillator, you can watch the value here, the value was this was the volume oscillator at that time, that is more than 22. That is quite powerful, showing quite powerful buying volume. Now after this breakout, we are having retest of this previous resistance as a support. That is a beauty of a perfect breakout, because this can be the first confirmation for the breakout. Now for more, the final confirmation, we can again, I would like to say here again, we can wait for the price line to close above this highest price, that is $3.34, and once the next candlestick will be closed above this level, that will be the final confirmation for this breakout. Now if we take a look at the RSI on the daily time frame, it was forming lower highs and lower lows, and now you can see that it has formed a higher high, and now it can also form the higher low as well. And once we will have the final confirmation for the breakout, then we can expect a series of higher highs and higher lows, like previously we were having a series of lower highs and lower lows. Now if I switch back to this weekly time frame chart again, then we can see the price line is using this 50 simple moving average very well. Here for a while the price line broke down this 50 simple moving average and tested this strong support zone and moved up again. If I connect all these moves, all these candlesticks, like from this week of the candlestick, and I'm just also including these candlesticks as well, then we can see that right now the price line is also testing a very strong uptrend line support as well. And after testing this support again, like we had a test here, again after this move we had a test here, we had again another test here, and right now the price line is again at this support. And after testing this support, the price line is again starting the next move to the upside. Now let's move to the most important part of this video, and that is the target of this falling wedge pattern. We can see that this is the tail of the falling wedge, and we can expect our next target here, that is approximately at 5.4 cents. And one more very important thing, the price line is not breaking out only this falling wedge. If we switch to the 4-hourly time frame chart, then inside this falling wedge we had another resistance. This was the resistance line, that was another down channel within this falling wedge pattern. The price line has broken out that down channel and also broke out this falling wedge, and after this breakout the price line is testing the previous resistance as a support, and then we can expect a very big move from here. So this was the update so far. I hope that you like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing the different trading ideas on the daily basis. You can find the link to join me here in the video's description. Take care. Goodbye.